Hello, my name's Kate. I'm an Admissions and Pathways Advisor in the Advising Center. I'm going to go over the PLAR Learner Self-Assessment tool and help you explain how it works. Think of our Learner Self-Assessment as a template you can follow to check whether PLAR is a good option for you. It offers a standardized framework you can use to compare your own knowledge or skill level to the learning outcomes identified for a specific Fanshawe College course. Completing a self-assessment is one of the first steps to help you determine if you're likely to succeed with a challenge or portfolio assessment, or if perhaps PLAR might not be the right way for you to proceed right now. To use this template, first make sure the Fanshawe College course you're considering is eligible for PLAR. Assessments are done on a course-by-course basis. To determine if your course is eligible for PLAR, you're going to go to the course outline and to the section called Prior Learning Assessment and Recognition. This part of the course outline here will tell you specifically if the course is eligible for PLAR, and if it is, what the method of assessment is. For this example, I'm using the course outline for a course called NUTR 1015, Field Placement, and the method of assessment for this one is a portfolio. Next, you're going to want to familiarize yourself with the learning outcomes of the course. Learning outcomes describe the knowledge and/or skills that a student will be able to reliably demonstrate upon completion of a credit course. Learning outcomes can be found on the course outline for each course. Next, you're going to copy and paste the learning outcomes from your course outline into the first column on the Learner Self-Assessment template. Once you've copied and pasted all the learning outcomes for the course, think about your own past learning in relation to the knowledge and skills stated in the learning outcomes. PLAR evaluates the knowledge and skills you've gained outside of formal educational settings, which means your years of experience are not as important as how much you've learned during that time. As you review the learning outcomes, assess your level of competence for each of the outcomes. Use the levels of competence described on the template to rank yourself from 0 to 3. Make sure to be honest with yourself. In the far right column, list examples that demonstrate your level of knowledge or your ability to apply the skills described in each learning outcome. Think of this like providing evidence for what you know and can do in relation to each learning outcome for the course. This will help you to identify, organize, and describe your knowledge, skills, and competence, and show how you could prove these things in a way that matches the course outline. Once you have finished citing examples that show how you've learned and can demonstrate the knowledge and skills described in each outcome, you're ready to calculate your final score. If you rate yourself as excellent, number 3, or satisfactory, number 2, in 75% or more of the course learning outcomes, and you have solid examples of your related experience, you may be a good candidate for PLAR. Now that you've completed the PLAR Learner Self-Assessment tool, you'll have a better idea whether or not PLAR is the right choice for you. If you'd like to go through your results, you can book an appointment with myself or one of my colleagues. To book an appointment, just visit fanshawec.ca/booknow.